Hi, King of Christmas family. My name is Mallory Hope, and today I will be going over the easy assembly process of your power pole tree. You're going to start by placing the bottom section directly into the stand and then plugging the adapter and foot pedal into your outlet. Next, you are going to simply place the middle section on top of the bottom section and the section will light up. Repeat for following sections. If you have a flocked tree, please make sure there is no flocking within the pole before connecting the sections. The great news about a power pole is that the power runs itself directly through the pole and into each section, so no need to manually disconnect or connect the wires within your tree. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to reach out if you have any further questions or concerns. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.